All right, let's move on to pulse top. A lot of people like running the pulse top positive, but this would depend on, of course, their own set of parameters. The lowest we can run the pulse top is at 0. It actually can reach 0, but it is difficult to adjust. So what I would recommend doing is run it at a relatively low positive voltage if they want to run it consistently positive. And let's check what that DMM reads right now. So we should see positive 50 volts on the DMM.
For whatever reason, we're still seeing minus 100. So I'm going to go check my connections and all of my settings and make sure of this. Be right back. Alright, so it took a couple iterations, but I finally got it to output on the pulse top supply at 100% duty. And you can see I have about 45 volts, which is what we read on the GUI. 44.79.
I'm going to write down 44.79, and I'm going to adjust offset until we read that, which we are reading exactly 45.0. So we need to bring offset up 44.79, approximately there, 44.787. Now let's boost pulse top voltage to 350. Its maximum is 400. So we'll take it to somewhere close but not quite. And this could be set by the customer to their own ideal value. I see 339.4. Let's see what the DMM says.
338.3.
So 338.3 is our high end. Let's adjust gain so that we see that in the GUI. There's 6, 8, 4, and drop it a couple counts on the next digit over until we get 338.3, like so. Now let's drop it back to 50 and check that number again. 44.79 was our previous. Let's see how much it's drifted.
And we have at 44.6. 44.6.
44.6. Let's adjust offset. It's actually really close already. We're going to leave it there. And then bump this to 350 again. Check the drift on the meter.
338.2.
At the high end, we adjust gain to make 338.2. 0. Like so. Let's go one more iteration just to be consistent. 3 iterations of successive approximations. So at 50,
44.6.
And that's exactly what we see is 44.6. I'm going to say this is good. So we're going to hit Store Calibration Table in Flash and call it good. Now we can turn off our grid. Clear false.